Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start trigonometry. My dear students, trigonometry is a branch of maths where we have to study the measurement of angles. Okay, it has its own uses. So first we know the name trigonometry came from the Greek language, which means trigono means angle and metry means measure. Trigono means angles and metry means measure. Means to measure the angles. Okay, so in our maths, in our subject, we are going to learn about the trigonometry. Actually, trigonometry is based on right angle triangle. Here the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle where it has hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. So if we talk about angle A, which is, we can take it angle theta. So dear students, this trigonometric ratio, we have 6 trigonometric ratio. How many? We have 6 trigonometric ratio, which is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent. We have 6 trigonometric ratio: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. So these trigonometric ratios are based on with respect to the angles and these adjacent sides and opposite sides. Okay, adjacent side are means if we are taking the angle A is the angle theta, so adjacent side are base and hypotenuse and opposite side is perpendicular. So these trigonometric ratios are the ratio of the sides with respect to the angle. Means if I take theta is sine theta means ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Sine theta, the actual meaning of sine theta means the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse of that right angle triangle where theta is the opposite angle of the perpendicular. Okay, so sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Same, cos theta is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is ratio of the sides base upon hypotenuse. So in this way, this again more 3. The reciprocal of sine theta is cosine theta, cosecant. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Means if you want to learn this, the reciprocal of sine is equal to cosec. If you are taking theta here, then this is cosec theta. The reciprocal of sine theta equal to cosec theta. Just like that, the reciprocal of cos theta is equal to sec theta. And reciprocal of tan theta equal to cot theta. So dear students, in this way, these 3 trigonometric ratio and the reciprocal same means the reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta. So cosec theta equal to reciprocal of perpendicular upon hypotenuse means cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. And reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. So sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. And reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So cot theta equal to just reciprocal base upon perpendicular. So dear students, these are the 6 trigonometric ratio, and these trigonometric ratio are the ratio of the sides with respect to the angle. So in maths, we are measuring the angle with respect to the side. So if we want to learn this thing, we want to remember, how we can remember this thing? So there is a trick, we can say Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले cosec, sec and cot. So dear students, I just say this is also joking also. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले means सोना चांदी तोले, where A is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. The opposite of sine is cosec, opposite of cos is sec, opposite of opposite means reciprocal. Reciprocal of tan is cot. So sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. In this way, cosec equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cot equal to base upon perpendicular. So we can remember this Pandit Badir Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole, and we know reciprocal of sin, cos and tan. In this way we can remember these things. So I hope you will learn it very carefully and very well. So we will meet again soon. Okay, thanks a lot and bye.